Sort of a big day. I've stripped the entire interior of everything that I don't want to get paint on except for the dash. I'm just gonna mask that up and the windscreen, and yeah, I think I'm gonna paint inside the car today. So keep up and I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I got my Scotch sanding pad. I'm gonna sand all the surfaces inside the car, so then the paint's got something to stick to. And then I'll mask up the dash and the handbrake, and I'll be ready to go, ready to lay down some paint. It'll be good. I've blown all the dust out of the car, just using a cloth to get the final bits. I've also Scotch padded all the bits that are going to get the main amount of paint on them, like the bits that aren't covered by carpet and whatnot. So I'm just going to get the last bit of dust out, and then I'll mix up some paint and get going. Exciting stuff. I'm currently just taping up the windscreen. Takes a little while, but it's all I really need to tape up. And I think I might take the boot off and do it on stools, just because it'll be easier. So that's what I'm gonna do. Gonna mix up a bit of paint and some thinners and throw it in the gun and throw down a first coat. Yes. Put that tin right in the way. But for this paint, it says that I need, for every 100 ml of paint, I need 60 ml of thinners. So I've done that. Mixing stick, mix it up and then throw it in the gun and lay it down. Okay, I've taken the doors off the mirror. I know it's going to be a bitch to realign them, but whatever, I don't care. It's too difficult to paint them while they're inside the car. I'm just going to do it outside. It'll be way easier. Yeah, I'll do the rest of it inside the car and then work on the doors and probably the boot lid as well. But yeah, I'll do the rest of the inside of the car for now. Okay, this is the inside of the car. It's looking really good. Nice and clean, no runs anywhere. Looking awesome. I'm gonna mix up some clear coat now, and I think I'll put a layer of clear on to make it nice and glossy. But yeah, it's looking awesome. Can't wait to see it nice and shiny. And then I'll put the interior back in, and it'll be awesome. Okay, I've finished the painting. I've done the doors, the insides of the doors. They look really good. The paint looks really good. I've done the whole inside of the car. Except for the ceiling, but yeah, it's all done. I think I'm going to do a bit of a clear coat now, but yeah, it's looking awesome. Can't wait to see it shiny and glossy with some clear coat on it. Okay, that's me done for the day. Got a lot done. Painted the entire interior of the car. I can put the interior in now. I put a clear coat on as well. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks beautiful. With the color I went, the clear looks amazing. I'll get one of it in the sun with the doors. Look at that shine on the doors. It looks so nice. Can't really see it too well, but it looks amazing. I'm super happy with the result. I got a little run on the rear passenger door sill, but I'll just sand that out and polish it. It shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, I'm super happy with that. It looks awesome. I'm so happy with that color. First time I've seen it with the clear on it. Looks amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe to keep up with the build, with what I'm doing. And I'll put it back together and get it running soon enough. See you later.